देखो सर तिवारी है वीडियो हो जाएगा हां हां Guys, we are from IT and we are here to take on the experiment. I am Nabi Rahman and he is Baqir Azhar and this experiment is supervised by working Ghulam Akbar Manzoor Amal Khan. So now we have prepared the smoke box by mixing potassium nitrate and sugar. We have mixed them and put it on the fire, put them on the fire until they become fluffy and become brown. And then we will put organic color dye into the mixture. We have add 40% of sugar and 60% of potassium nitrate. Now we have to make it dry, and now it has been dried. So now we are here to find it. Thank you very much for watching. Ala la la. Kita